In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Royal Mail to Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or simply looking to optimize your shipping process, integrating Royal Mail with your online store can make a big difference in streamlining your operations and enhancing customer satisfaction. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you've done that, and you're on your main Shopify dashboard, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, you'll find a section labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to Shopify's App Management area, where you can add or remove applications that integrate with your store. Now that you're in the Apps section, it's time to search for Royal Mail. Use the search bar provided here and type in Royal Mail. As you type, you'll see a list of search results start to form. In this list, locate the official app for Royal Mail. It should be clearly marked, so click on it. This will take you to the app's dedicated page where you can learn more about its features and benefits before moving on to the installation. Once you're on the Royal Mail app page, your next step is to find and click the Install button. This is where the magic begins. By clicking Install, you're initiating the process of connecting Royal Mail to your Shopify store. Keep in mind that clicking on Install may present you with some prompts or additional setup steps. These are typically straightforward and designed to tailor the app to your specific business needs. Just follow the instructions provided, which may include authorizing the app to access certain parts of your store, configuring shipping settings, or selecting preferred delivery options. As you navigate through these setup steps, remember to take your time. There's no rush, and ensuring everything is configured correctly will save you time and potential confusion later on. Once the setup is complete, congratulations! You've successfully integrated Royal Mail with your Shopify store. This connection will allow you to manage and streamline your shipping processes more efficiently, ensuring that your customers have a seamless delivery experience. And that's all there is to it. Connecting Royal Mail to Shopify is a simple and effective way to enhance your e-commerce business. By following these steps, you're well on your way to providing better shipping services. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to optimize your e-commerce operations. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!